Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today, we are going to make Asian coleslaw. Yes, that's right. Very easy, very simple to make. Just a different twist on the coleslaw. However, I make this Asian coleslaw for my sandwiches when I have a tea party. So let's get started. I got a bag of coleslaw and, of course, I have a small onion chopped fine. And I am going to sea salt, black pepper, because yes, I do put those things in my coleslaw, okay? And we are using an Asian dressing, Asian ginger dressing, okay? And Marie's has this, and this one is pretty good. And I'll give you the measurements later. And we have to twist it with some sesame seeds. These happen to be toasted. And that gives the Asian flavor. So anyway, and I'm gonna mix it and see if I need more sauce. So this is pretty simple. We do add the red onion to give a little kick to this coleslaw. So when I first made this coleslaw, the coleslaw is gonna be brown. And it was so delicious with the Asian dressing, but it didn't look pretty because it was brown, and people are not accustomed to seeing brown coleslaw. They might think, oh, this coleslaw, something's wrong. I need more sauce. So that was a dilemma. How do I get this delicious tasting coleslaw to be somewhere in my food that I'm preparing? Only unless I put a sign next to it that says Asian coleslaw. But anyway, so I want to really make sure, you know, this is well incorporated. And again, that's the only problem. The color of this might put people off. Okay? And so my coleslaw is mixed. Okay? Now, what I use it for, because of the color, I make turkey sandwiches, or it could be ham sandwiches, and I put this Asian coleslaw, and I top it off with peanuts. Okay? And my guests love it at my tea party. So, what is gonna happen is, I'm gonna taste it, because I'm not making a sandwich at this point in time. But it's really, really delicious. The only thing is, as I'm making these tea party sandwiches, I make them closer to when I'm gonna serve it. And the reason is, if I put the peanuts on it, put it in the fridge, they're gonna get soggy. So what you could also do, you could have your Asian coleslaw and put your peanuts on the side, so that as people take the Asian coleslaw, they could put a few peanuts on it. So it's great with the sandwiches. And that's it. That's done. Was that quick or what? Okay, I need to make sure I get a piece of peanut. I love the crunchy peanuts from Costco. They're really firm and they're nice. This is really good. Excellent. And if we wanted, we could have put a dash of cilantro in this. You know I love cilantro in everything. So, absolutely delicious. And thank you for watching us make Asian coleslaw today. It will be a hit at any party. Okay? Tune in next week to find out. Oh, wait. I need you to hit the notification button. I need you to subscribe. That's in the opposite order. But Twisters, thank you for being with us. And tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.